Little Mario.
Hello ladies and gentlemen into Crypto Mario channel, and today we have a new project to introduce, Alpha Boot Calls. So if you want to know more about this boot, please continue the video until the end. And as always, I must warn you, I'm not a professional analyst or an economic expert. I'm just sharing with you my experience and conviction. So before investing in any project that you see in my channel, do your own research, and every decision you make, you are responsible for it, wherever it succeeds or fails. So guys, let's get into it. Hello guys, into Alpha Boot Calls, and Alpha Boot Calls strive to reshape the DeFi landscape to create a safer environment for investors, a platform for real alpha callers to showcase their calls, and a way to expose fake callers who call scam projects or dump on their followers. AlphaBoot was created to monitor its user call and provide their state. This allows investors to see how credible a caller is and give successful caller a way to build following. Alpha Boot Call as either win or lose and has subcategory for 10 multiply or 15 multiply rocks and honey puts, and when the token will need to reach 2 multiply the price it was called, and at the end and hold over that price for 6 hours. Lose, the token either did not reach 2 multiply for 6 hours or more for the duration of the call, or it was rocket. And 10 multiply or 15 multiply, the token will need to reach 10 multiply the price it was called and at and hold the price for 6 hours. At 10 multiply and 15 multiply will be also categorized and as a win. Rug, the token is called as a rug of the liquidity for the token is pulled. A rug will also categorize as a lose. Honeypot, whenever a token called, it will screen it to check if it is a honeypot or if it is a honeypot at the time it is called. The boot will not let you call the token. If the token is delayed honeypot, it will cannot as a lose, and the honeypot at the caller's seat. Users are able also to check their own and any other AlphaBoot user state and call by using command in any chat. The boot in its all calls are monitored globally, not separately for each chat, and they are currently developing a V2 update for the boot that will provide incentive to hold ABC token. The update will include adding ranking for all users and creating leaderboard for top callers. The token gated alpha chat will be created where all top callers call are sent to that token holder. Will be able to see all of the best call for all group that the bot is in, and there will be also competition and rewards for users that make it on the leaderboard. Here guys, also you can see their tokenomics with million total supply. 2% go into the development, 1% to the marketing, 1% goes into the liquidity. Here you can see their roadmap. They have a launch and adoption, update and community building, monetize and give back to holders. Here how does AlphaBoot work. Here you can see the comments. You can see here the call, contract address, state with username, check calls with username, and check call with the contract address if you want to check the progress of your call. And here you can see how it works. When a user make a call, it's recorded in their database and will be tracked through on-chain monitoring. To constantly update the token information, each call will be recorded as a win, lose, 10 multiply or rag when it meets the criteria for these category listed below. When the token will be needed to reach to multiply the price, it was called that I introduced it before. Here, what is the solution? What's the problem? And here you can see the solution of the Alpha Boot call. Here guys, you can see the contract address, you can see their Telegram, their Twitter. Here you can see in Uniswap index and in the BSC scan. Here you can see their Telegram group, also their Twitter page, and also their token index. So you can see the prices are going up. Here you can see if you want to change it with another token, for example the Ethereum, you can see here how much you will buy. You can switch it if you want to buy or if you want to sell. Here one Ethereum give you more than 6,000 of this token, and here you can see the current price of 0.25 cents. Here guys, also you can see their token in, and more than 600 people have joined the Telegram in the 4 days that this project has been active. The community is very active and enjoy making call and sharing their project. The development of ABC talk with community member every day about their idea to improve the project, and the community is passionate about the project and provide a fun and non-toxic environment to discuss crypto delay and the crypto plays. So guys, now let's go and make some calls. For example guys, here you can see the boot. I have it in my Telegram, and now I will call on contract address with the Alpha Boot token. Here you can copy this or click the contract address and call. Click here as you see here. After you put call, go back into the website and copy the contract address as you see here. Then open the Telegram another time and pass the contract address and enter this, and here you can see I made a call, and the call will end in August 2017. Here you can see the Alpha Boot call, the price and the liquidity, and you can see some of their platform and a lot of websites. Here also you have, if you want to check your state, you can simply click the state like this and enter it into the bot, and it will give you my number of calls. You can see it's 3 calls. Also, if you want to check some of another callers, you can also click here state, for example, and enter the caller state. I will enter my friend username. He made a very good call, and enter his username and click enter. You can see he made 6 calls, 1 win and another waiting for review. And also, if you want to check the call that is the list of your call history, you can enter check calls and enter it, and you will see the calls here. I call Camion Bot, Unibot, and Alpha Boot call. Also, they have, if you want to check another username, you can click here check calls guys and enter the username that you want and click enter. Here you can see their calls of this Warren Mopay. And also, if you want to check the progress of your call, you can simply click here check call and enter the token address that you want to check the call of it. I will check, for example, Alpha Boot call or ABC token. Go back into the Telegram group or the boot, excuse me, and enter the contract address and click here enter. Here you can see all information about this, and it's end in July 28 and end for after a month. And here you can see the call price, the current price, and all the details. So guys, that's all about our platform today. All the links that's important, I will leave it in my description. So guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and share this video. Bye folks, see you in the next one.